Google Chrome is more than just a browser. It's packed with hidden tools and productivity hacks that can make your daily online tasks faster, smarter, and easier. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or remote worker, learning these tips in 2025 can save you time and improve your workflow. First, tab groups and pinned tabs are essential for staying organized. Group tabs by project, client, or topic, label them with colors, and collapse groups when you don't need them. Pinned tabs keep important websites like email or project dashboards always accessible, so you can jump right in without searching through dozens of open tabs. Next, explore Omnibox tricks. Chrome's address bar can do much more than search Google. You can perform calculations, convert units, check the weather, or even search specific sites directly by typing @ and the site name. This feature turns your browser into a mini productivity hub, saving clicks and time. Chrome extensions also boost efficiency. Tools like Grammarly for writing, Loom for recording presentations, and Clockify for time tracking integrate seamlessly into your browser. Just make sure to keep only the extensions you truly need to prevent slowing down your system. Another hidden tool is Chrome's Task Manager. Press Shift+CST to see which tabs and extensions are using the most memory or CPU. You can close heavy processes individually without shutting down your entire browser, keeping performance smooth even with many tabs open. Finally, use built-in screenshot and PDF tools. Capture full-page screenshots, save web pages as PDFs, and annotate without extra software. Pair this with Chrome's privacy and security settings, like blocking third-party cookies, managing site permissions, and using the password manager, and you've got a browser optimized for both productivity and safety. By mastering these hidden tools and hacks, Chrome becomes more than just a browser. It becomes a powerful productivity tool for everyday use. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tech tips in 2025.